Welcome to Theme and Code. In this video we are going to show how to create a pet business website in WordPress. In today's digital age, a professional and responsive website is essential for any pet business. With over 70% of US households having pets, building a strong digital presence is essential to attracting and retaining potential customers. But where do you start? In this ultimate guide we've rounded up the best tips, tricks, and expert advice to help you build your website. Installing WordPress. You can install WordPress in many ways. The easiest way to install WordPress in cPanel. To install WordPress, open your cPanel dashboard. Scroll down and you'll see Softaculous WordPress Manager, then WordPress. Simply choose any of these options. After that, just click to get started. Choosing the perfect theme for your pet business website. Choosing the right theme for your pet business website is a critical decision that will lay the foundation for your online presence. Your theme is not just about aesthetics, it plays a key role in functionality, user experience, and overall brand perception. Customizing your pet business website. Once the theme is successfully installed, you will see all the template sections required to create your website, and you will need to create categories for your website. Now all you have to do is edit it and adapt it to your website and your needs. Simply edit your website and customize it to your own design. You can change everything on this page. Just create your business posts in PDF format and upload them to your website on a regular basis. For this you need to install the TNcFlipbook PDF viewer for WordPress plugin. Creating engaging and informative content. When it comes to building a successful pet business website, creating engaging and informative content is crucial. Implementing effective call to actions. A call to action, CTA, is typically a button, link, or image that prompts visitors to perform a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting you for more information. Choosing the perfect domain name and reliable hosting provider. The most important step is choosing a domain name. This reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Consider using your business name or incorporating pet-related keywords into your domain. Optimizing your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is very important to improve website visibility and drive organic traffic. First, install an SEO plugin such as Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack. These plugins provide tools and guides for optimizing your site's meta title, description, and keywords. Building a pet business website in WordPress is an extremely accessible venture. With a few steps, you can create a professional, inviting, and functional site that will attract new customers. A pet business website is the key to growing your business. So that's all for today. Read our blog for more details. Link in the description. Hope everyone likes it. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.